Intro. Hey everyone, you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by textbooks and notebooks. You're struggling with a complex math problem, and you're starting to feel overwhelmed. Suddenly, you remember a friend mentioned a new app called Newton that can help you solve problems step by step. You pull out your phone and download the app, eager to see if it can really make a difference. But before you dive in, you have a burning question. Can you actually use Newton in the USA? Hook. Today, we're going to answer that question and explore everything you need to know about using Newton in the United States. Context. Newton is a powerful AI-powered math solver that can help you with everything from basic algebra to advanced calculus. It works by breaking down problems into smaller, more manageable steps, and then providing detailed explanations for each step. This can be incredibly helpful for students who are struggling with math or who simply want to check their work. Can you use Newton in the USA? The short answer is yes, you can use Newton in the USA. Newton is available to users in most countries around the world, including the United States. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Language. Newton is primarily available in English, so if you're not comfortable with English, you may have difficulty using the app *. Regional restrictions. While Newton is generally available in the USA, there may be some regional restrictions in place *. For example, certain educational institutions or government agencies may have policies that prohibit the use of AI-powered tools like Newton. Benefits of using Newton. If you're able to use Newton in the USA, there are several benefits to consider. Improved math skills. By using Newton to solve problems step by step, you can develop a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts *. Increased confidence. Newton can help you build confidence in your math abilities by providing you with accurate and helpful explanations *. Time saving. Newton can save you time by helping you solve problems more efficiently *. Accessibility. Newton can be a valuable tool for students with learning disabilities or other challenges that make it difficult to learn math *. Potential drawbacks. While Newton has many benefits, it's important to be aware of the potential drawbacks. Over-reliance. It's easy to become too reliant on Newton and forget how to solve problems on your own *. Cost. Newton is a paid app, so you'll need to invest money to use it *. Accuracy. While Newton is generally accurate, it's not infallible. It's always a good idea to double-check your answers to ensure they're correct *. Tips for using Newton effectively. If you decide to use Newton, here are a few tips to help you get the most out of the app. Start with basic problems. Begin by using Newton to solve simple problems to get a feel for how the app works *. Use Newton as a learning tool. Don't just rely on Newton to give you answers. Use it as a tool to learn and understand mathematical concepts *. Practice regularly. The more you use Newton, the better you'll become at solving problems *. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're having trouble understanding Newton's explanations, don't be afraid to ask for help from a teacher or tutor *. Conclusion. So, can you use Newton in the USA? The answer is yes, but there are a few things to keep in mind. If you're looking for a powerful tool to help you improve your math skills, Newton can be a valuable asset. However, it's important to use it wisely and not become too reliant on it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.